If someone handed you $1,000 right now and said, invest this wisely, what would you do? Most people freeze. They Google it, fall into a rabbit hole, and end up doing nothing. I was exactly that person 3 years ago, and that decision to wait, it cost me real money. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what I'd do with $1,000 in 2026. Step by step, no fluff, no complicated jargon. And I'll tell you the one mistake that 90% of beginners make. Stick around, because that part could save you thousands. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Your $1,000 sitting in a regular bank account is losing value every single day. Inflation is around 3% right now. Your bank gives you what? 0.01%. That means every year, your money quietly shrinks in purchasing power. But here's the good news. In 2026, you don't need $10,000 to start investing. You don't need a finance degree. You just need a plan. Let me give you mine. Before you invest a single dollar, ask yourself, do I have at least $500 set aside for emergencies? If no, put half your $1,000 in a high-yield savings account. Right now, the best ones are paying 4% to 5% APY. That's 10x what regular banks offer. Apps like Marcus by Goldman Sachs or SoFi make this super easy. This is your financial seatbelt. Before you drive fast, you buckle up first. If you already have an emergency fund, great. Let's put the full $1,000 to work. If you're in the US and earning income, open a Roth IRA immediately. This is probably the single best account you can have in your 20s or 30s. You put in after-tax money now, and it grows completely tax-free forever. No tax when you withdraw in retirement. That's insane. In 2026, you can contribute up to $7,500 a year. Put your $500 or $1,000 here in a target date fund, like Vanguard 2055 or Fidelity 2060. Pick the year closest to when you turn 65, and the fund does everything automatically. Set it and forget it. Now, if you want to invest in the stock market, don't pick individual stocks. I know that sounds boring, but here's the thing. Even Warren Buffett recommends this for most people. Buy an S&P 500 index fund. This one fund gives you ownership in 500 of the biggest companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Google, all in one. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% per year on average over the last 50 years. With just $1,000 invested today and adding even $100 a month, in 30 years you could have over $200,000. That's the power of compounding. And it starts with $1,000. Now, I promised you the mistake that costs beginners thousands. Here it is, waiting for the perfect time to invest. People say, I'll invest when the market drops, or I'll start next month when I have more money. But here's what the data actually shows. Time in the market beats timing the market. Every single time. The investor who invested $1,000 in January 2020, right before COVID crashed everything, still made more money by 2023 than the person who waited on the sidelines for the right moment. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. So here's your action plan for $1,000 in 2026. First, build a $500 emergency buffer in a high-yield savings account. Second, open a Roth IRA. Put the rest in a target date fund. Third, automate a monthly contribution, even $50 or $100. Just start. That's it. No complicated trading, no crypto gambling. Just a boring, proven system that actually works. If this helped you, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. And comment below, I'm starting today. I read every single comment. And subscribe. Next week, I'm breaking down how to go from $1,000 to $10,000. You don't want to miss that one. See you then.